everybody, a warm welcome to the Bette Future Days. The next topic is really exciting. We are talking about the BetteAir, the first shower tile in the world. My name is Florian Lenzmeier and I work in the product management here at Bette. We are now in the building lab in Delbrück and we are proud to present you now the first shower tile in the world. Before we start with the real topic, I would like to ask you, in case of having any questions, please use the chat function on the online seminar. And now I would like to hand over to my colleague Sven, and he will give you some really interesting information about the revolution of shower areas.
Thanks, Florian. Warm welcome also from my side. My name is Sven Rensinghoff and I am responsible for marketing and product management here at Bette. And before we look to the future to see what BetteAir is, I would like to take you on a journey to the past to see how the shower tray design has developed over the last 40 to 50 years. If we remember, in the 70s, we have had 28 centimeter deep shower trays with an overflow, so you have to step into it to take a shower. It was not really comfortable and it has nothing to do with design. During the 80s, shower trays get a little bit flatter, so we had the 15 centimeter deep shower trays, easier to access, but still not a design product. And during the 80s, faucets and taps spent much more water, and we had to think about how can we drain the water safety from our shower trays to the drainage, and that's why we decided to develop a new waste hole. So a standard before was 52 millimeters, and then we have had waste diameter of 90 millimeters, which allows us to make shower trays even flatter than before. And this was the first time that users have had the comfortable step into it, so it was much more easy to use, much more comfort to walk in, and it became a little bit more a design product. But the major step we did during the 80s and the 90s when we reduced the height to 2.5 or 3.5 millimeters, so it was nearly no longer a shower tray, and we have had the possibility to bring the shower tray nearly flush to floor. And 2006 we did the biggest milestone in our company history when we presented the first shower area Bette floor. We've been the first company who presented such a product in such a product category, which is standard right now. And we've had the possibility to bring the shower flush to floor. And there was no longer a tray design in it, but it was really flat and so easy to access. And thanks to the large variety of colors we offered, it was really a design product, and we have had much more possibilities to individualize bathrooms. And since then we asked what could be the next step of designing new shower areas. It took 15 years hard work, but now we are really very, very happy to have a new solution which we would like to present to you right now. It is the BetteAir with new design topics and new installation topics, but what this really means we would like to show you on the real product. So Florian, please follow me, let's go to the product and we can show our customers what we mean with revolution.
Yes. So there are two main topics which we want to discuss today in detail with the BetteAir. On the one hand, it's a puristic design, and on the other hand, it's the easy installation. So Sven, let's start with the puristic design. What are the main characteristics?
We designed the BetteAir in cooperation with Dominic Tessereau, our longtime partner in design, and we thought about how can we change a shower area. And the first step was that we have reduced the rim height. Normally we have a rim height of 30 millimeters, and now we have reduced it to 10 millimeters. Now we are slim as a tile in the rim area. Second big change is the look and feel of the waist. So we changed the diameter from 90 millimeters to 200 millimeters, which allows us a completely new look and feel and a really light design when the waist cover, which is just in material thickness, is integrated again. So it finds a position on its own, and we just have a very small gap which gives the product a unique design and secures the water that it really drains perfectly and safely with a capacity of 0.6 liters per second.
What about the colors?
A good question. We've got a large range of different colors. So we offer our 22 exclusive colors, which are matte colors that orientate on actual trends in tile design. So from anthracite to gray to beige, different options to match our new shower tile to the existing ground floor. And next to this, we have got several colors, glossy colors, to make individual bathroom designs. Now we show you some images what this means. And our claim is it only stands out if you want it to. And in the first images you now see, you really have an expressive design. So focus is on a colored shower tile. And we also have reduced colors, so that is really a clean design. So you really have the possibility to design the bathroom like you want it to.
And the sizes from the start?
We have got 8 dimensions which we offer from the start. So we have 90 by 90 as the smallest version, and the largest version is 1 meter by 1 meter 40.
Okay, I think now we have seen enough about the design. Let's have a close look on the easy installation.
Okay, let's go to the display.
Yeah.
So now here we are at the technical display to show you how the BetteAir is installed. Thanks to the new design elements like the 10 mm slim rim and the new design of the waist, we have got new options to install a flush-to-floor shower tile. And how it is done will be explained by Florian.
The first part which needs to be installed is our new installation box, which can be seen here. This is this black box. It's very similar to our established Easy Connect box, but it's a little bit larger. So firstly, we place the box on the concrete, on the bare floor, and then we connect the pipes. After that, we put in the floor installation, then the sound installation, and then we apply the screed. And after applying the screed, we cut the box to the height of the screed. And after cutting the box to the height of the screed, we apply the frame which comes with the box. And on the frame, there is the installation system integrated on the frame. And after that, we connect the installation parts from the frame to the bonded ceiling. And then everything is sealed. And after we did these parts, we do the connection of the waste, for example, in this case, the solid 50, and then we put the BetteAir directly on the screed, for example, with tile cement or construction glue.
So like a big tile.
Like a big tile, exactly. That is a big advantage of the BetteAir, that we can put the product directly on the screed. And as you can see here, we are able to install it flush to floor like a tile, exactly.
So are there any other ways to install it if we do not have the screed, for example?
Yes, we can use our, for example, our established installation system Universal, for example. So it is possible, but this is the more easier way.
And if we install it like this on the screed, are there any limits to the heights of the screed?
So the box is usable in heights from 90 to 200 millimeters. So we have a huge range where we can use the box.
And you mentioned the fleece, which is integrated into the bonded ceiling. This means there is no risk for water damages?
No, there's no risk for water damage because we have a bonded ceiling system which starts at the floor and goes directly through the box. Everything is sealed.
So also if there is a cut in the silicone,
yes,
nothing can happen?
Nothing will happen, so that is a big benefit, for example, of this way of installation.
Many customers ask us about sound insulation. Do we have any results regarding the BetteAir?
Yes, we did tests according to DIN 4109, and we have results up to 19 dBA, so very good results.
So in the lowest category?
Yes, it's the lowest category, so no problems by this way of installation.
So in summary, we can say we have got really new options in installing flush-to-floor showers, as we can glue the BetteAir like a big tile to the screed, so it is really integrated like a tile to the floor. Very quick and fast installation, I would say, so much faster as if we do it on another way. And big advantage is also we have got a seamless surface in the whole showering area.
Yes, exactly. So the big benefit is really the installation directly on the screed and by this minimum support, which we see here, which is applied on the BetteAir, a very easy installation and flush-to-floor installation without using any frames or something like that.
Okay, and next to this we have got the design options like the slim 10mm rim, which allows us to integrate it to the floor like we mentioned. And we have got the small gap so that we really have a light and fine design in developing new bathrooms.
From the technical point of view, it's also a revolution because all necessary parts which we need for the installation comes with the BetteAir or comes with the installation box. And yes, we can place the BetteAir like a tile directly on the screen, and that saves money and that saves time.
If you want to learn more about our BetteAir, just visit the microsite on our website. At the end, we would like to say thank you for your attention, and we hope that we gave you some inspiration of how future bathroom designs could look like with our new flush-to-floor shower tile BetteAir. Also, we would like to recommend our innovation show where we present all product information of this year.
And now we're looking forward to your questions.